Have you ever thought about how economic data directly influences the cryptocurrency market? Hello everyone and welcome to our channel dedicated to the world of cryptocurrencies. Here you will find market updates, project reviews and advice to help you make informed decisions in the world of cryptocurrencies. I invite you to follow me on the channel to always be updated. Yesterday, the CPI, Consumer Price Index, numbers were released, crucial data for understanding the trend of inflation in the United States. These data exceeded analysts' expectations, proving to be more positive than expected. But what does this mean for Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market in general? Yesterday's CPI numbers showed a steeper decline in inflation than expected. Analysts had expected an increase of 0.2%, but the actual figure was only 0.1%. This means that inflation is falling faster than expected. Falling inflation has a direct impact on the Federal Reserve's decisions regarding interest rates. If inflation continues to fall, the Federal Reserve is likely to consider an interest rate cut at its next meeting. Analysts currently predict a 93.3% chance that rates will remain unchanged at the next meeting on July 31st. However, there are signs that a rate cut is possible in September, with a probability of 86.4%. Let's now move on to the analysis of the cryptocurrency market. Before we get into the details of the CPI numbers, let's take a look at the current market situation. Bitcoin is currently correcting its price by 1.36%, trading at $58,802, while Ethereum has a dominance of 17.48% with a price of $3,155. Bitcoin is still above the 226-period exponential moving average, an important technical indicator. However, it is in a range phase between $56,000 and $59,800. This means that the price of Bitcoin is fluctuating within this range without clear direction. Let's take a deeper look at the Bitcoin situation. At the moment, the price is respecting dynamic support, indicating a decrease in volatility in the last few hours. This narrowing of the scope could hint at a significant next move. If we look at the hourly chart, we notice that Bitcoin is still in a range phase. As long as the price does not close below $55,000, we will remain in this consolidation phase. Yesterday, Bitcoin closed in a bearish pattern, indicating a significant presence of sellers in the market. The presence of sellers is also highlighted by the fact that Bitcoin reached a peak of $59,600 before correcting lower. This selling pressure could continue until there is a clear break below $55,600. The 227-period exponential moving average at $56,800 is a critical level to monitor. As the weekend approaches, we expect volatility to decrease, as large investors tend not to trade during this period. However, the CPI numbers will have a significant impact on the next moves of the Federal Reserve and, consequently, the cryptocurrency market. CPI numbers are among the most influential macroeconomic data in the world. They represent consumer prices and provide a clear indication of inflation trends. Analysts predict that if macroeconomic data continues to be encouraging, the Federal Reserve could proceed with a rate cut. If inflation continues to decline, the Federal Reserve is likely to consider an interest rate cut. Currently, the market sees a very high probability that rates will remain unchanged at the next meeting, but there are signs of a possible cut in September. This would have a significant impact on the cryptocurrency market, making them more attractive to investors looking for returns. Despite expectations of a rate cut, it is important to carefully monitor the trend of macroeconomic data. The situation could change rapidly, affecting forecasts and investment strategies. That said, it is clear that macroeconomic data, particularly CPI numbers, have a significant impact on the cryptocurrency market. As we closely monitor inflation trends and Federal Reserve decisions, it is important to stay informed and adjust our investment strategies accordingly. That said, thanks for following us up to this point. Don't waste your next crypto flight. Thanks for being with us. If you want to stay up to date on the latest news from the crypto world and not miss out on a crypto adventure, hit that follow me button and activate the bell. Ready to go? Then see you in the next video.